Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glory O'Kings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style one satin scarf. So this is like a standard satin scarf. It's just like about I don't know the length. I'm going to measure it later on and put the length on screen here. So I'm just going to be showing you guys different ways to style it. I'm going to add this donut bun. If this one is too big, I'm going to be using this one. So yes, I'm just going to start with the video now. guys, so this is my last style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this. Let me know if I did a good job. Let me know which style you guys would have on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more head wrap tutorials, please click the subscribe button if you've not clicked it by now. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.